Okay, so kita recap balik apa yang kita dah belajar last week. Okay, so last week kita masuk chapter 2, betul? Chapter 2, right?
Betul.
Okay, second order ordinary differential equation. Okay, so for second order, okay, last class, okay, kita dah belajar berkenaan dengan okay, homogeneous equation, okay, non-homogeneous untuk undetermined coefficient. Okay, so what is homogeneous? So homogeneous equations, okay, so second order homogeneous equation is you have this general equation, okay, apa ada equation ni? AY double prime x plus BY prime x plus CY equals to 0. This part must equals to 0. Then your equations is homogeneous. Okay. Okay. So for homogeneous, we can solve it. Okay. And we can find the root M, M1 and M2. Okay. Kan? You have a quadratic equation and then you boleh dapatkan dia punya punca nilai M ni kan. Okay. So we have three cases for M. Okay. For first case is you have a real M, but M1 and M2 is different. M1 is not equals to M2. Then your general solutions will be like this. Yx equals to AEM1x plus BEM2x. Okay. And for second case is you have the real value of roots, but the value for M1 and M2 is the same. Okay. Which is M1 equals to M2. Then your general solutions will be yx equals to a plus bx exponent mx. Okay, and the third case is when you have the complex conjugate. Okay, when you solve these quadratic equations and then you got the complex conjugate alpha plus minus beta I. Then your general solutions will be yx equals to EAX A cos beta x plus B sin beta x. Okay, so these homogeneous equations, okay, you will use also to solve the non-homogeneous equation. Okay, so let's see where we will use this. Okay, for non-homogeneous equations, the first method we learned last week is a method of undetermined. Okay, which means you solve with a constant coefficient. Okay, and it have a 4 procedure. Okay, the first step is you have to find the complementary function yc. Okay, this yc is you can get from the corresponding homogeneous equations. That's why I said homogeneous equations also you will use it to solve the non-homogeneous equations. Okay, because we want to get this yc. Okay, we get yc from homogeneous equation. Okay, once you get yc, you can find yp. Okay, okay, so to find yp, okay, we will look later. Okay, I already explained last week how to get yp, right? Okay, so yp, once you get yp, you can get the general solution. So y equals to yc plus with yp. Okay, you can stop up to this stage, or if you are given the initial condition, then you have to find the constant. Okay, okay, so yp. How we want to find yp? Yp is we assume based on fx. Okay, okay, so once you assume yp, okay, it's based on fx. So you have to refer to this table. Okay. Okay, and then you have to check whether yp have the same pattern with yc or not. If pattern yp and yc is the same, you have to times yp with x. Awak kena darabkan yp dengan x. Okay. And then you compare again with yc. If you still have the same pattern, then you have to multiply again with yp with x. Until you get yp is not equals to YC. The pattern is not the same. Okay, then you stop. Okay, once you stop, you will use YP, the last YP that you stop there. Okay, so that will be your YP. Okay, then once you get the YP, you have to find YP prime and YP double prime. Okay, okay, so you get YP prime and YP double prime. Then you substitute all YP prime and YP double prime into the equations. Okay, to get the constant C and D, E or F, but not A and B. A and B is once you are given the initial condition, you can find A and B. Okay? Okay, any questions before I start with the next example that we stopped last week? Any questions? No questions?
No, doctor. No,
Okay,
doctor.
okay. Then this one. Okay, we continue with this example, example 6. Okay, you have to obtain the general solutions for y double prime plus 2y prime plus y equals to x squared minus 1. Okay, so remember the first step is you have to find YC. Okay, so first step is you have to find YC. Okay, kita nak dapatkan YC berapa. So YC is, you have to assume the homogeneous of these equations, y double prime plus 2y prime plus y equals to 0. Betul? Betul?
Betul.
Betul Okay, then we have to find the root m. So now we have m squared plus 2m plus 1 equals to 0. Betul? Okay, then you have here is m plus 1, m plus 1 equals 0. Right, betul tak? Okay, you have m, 1, 1, and plus, this one times this one, m square, d, plus m, this one, plus m, and this one, plus 1. Then m square plus 2m plus 1. Right, betul?
Betul. Betul.
Okay, then m equals to minus 1.
-1.
Okay, then you have here is M1 equals to M2 equals to minus 1. Betul tak? Nilai dia sama kan? This one M equals to minus 1. This one also M equals to minus 1. Right. Okay, then this is the second case. Second case, which means your YC will be A plus BX. Okay, exponent. M is minus 1x. Right. Betul?
Betul.
Okay. Okay, ataupun kita darabkan kita dapat, okay, this one time this one you get AE minus X plus with this one time this one you get BXE minus X. So this is your YC. Okay, any questions to ask this one? Ada soalan nak tanya?
Tak
Tak
ada,
ada.
doctor.
Tak ada. Okay, then we find YP. Second one is YP. Okay, so YP you have to assume based on fx. So our fx is x square minus 1, right? Okay, so x square minus 1, then you have to refer to this table. Okay, this table, this one is polynomial. Okay, polynomial. Okay, then you have to refer to this table. Okay, we have fx equals to, our fx is x square minus 1. Okay, then look at this polynomial. You have x square. Then we have to refer to this kx square. Then your yp will be cx square plus dx plus e. Okay, faham
Faham, Doctor.
Faham Okay. Okay, then your yp will be equals to cx square plus dx plus e. Okay, so now you have to assume, you have not assume, you have to compare yp with yc. So our yc is this one, ae minus x plus bxe minus x. Okay, so so compare yp and yc. Do they have any similar pattern here? Ada tak?
Tak ada.
Tak ada kan? So yp is not equals with yc, then you directly use this yp. Okay, so this is our yp. Yp equals to cx square plus dx plus e. Okay. Okay, now we have to find yp prime. So yp prime is equals to, you differentiate this one. Okay. You differentiate this cx square plus dx plus e, then you get 2cx plus d. Right? Betul?
Betul, Doctor.
Okay, then yp double prime equals to, you differentiate this one, you get 2c. Okay, so now we have yp, yp prime, yp double prime. Okay, this yp prime and yp double prime, we will replace in this equation. So now we have y double prime So our equation is y double prime plus 2y prime plus y equals to x square minus 1. Okay, so this one will be yp double prime plus 2yp prime plus yp equals to x square minus 1. Okay, so yp prime is 2c. So 2c plus with 2yp prime. So yp prime is, okay, no problems. Okay. C 2cx plus d, so 2cx plus d, okay, plus with yp, so yp is cx square plus dx plus e equals to x square minus 1. Okay, so 2c plus, okay, you kembangkan this one, so it will be 4cx plus 2d plus cx square plus dx plus e equals to x square minus 1. Okay, now we grouping, okay, based on x. Okay, we start with x square. Okay, so x square, we have cx square. Okay, plus with, okay, 4cx plus dx, right? This one, and then plus with 2c plus 2d plus e equals to x square minus 1. Okay, so now we compare, okay, for x square. Okay, so cx square equals to x square. Okay, cx square equals to x square. Then c equals to 1. Betul? Right? So c equals to 1. And now we look at this x. So this one we have 4cx plus dx equals to what? Equals to? Equals to? 4cx plus dx equals to? 0. 0, okay? Because this side you don't have any x here. Okay. Then here we have a C1. Then you replace here. So now you have a 4. Okay. Plus with D. Okay. Equals to 0. Then D equals to minus 4. Okay. So D equals to minus 4. And now we look at this part. Okay. We have 2C plus 2D plus E equals to
1.
hmm?
Negative
minus 1.
1.
Okay.
Negative 1.
Okay. Then you already have C and D. Okay. We just replace here. C equals to 1. So 2 times 1 plus 2 times minus 4 plus E equals to minus 1. Okay. Here you have 2 minus 8 plus E equals to minus 1. Minus 6 plus E equals to minus 1. E equals to 5. Okay. So now we have E, we have D and we have C. Okay. Kita masukkan semula inside these equations. Okay. So our YP will be YP equals to CX squared plus DX plus E. And C is 1. So X squared plus with dx. So d is minus 4 here, minus 4x plus 5. Okay, so this is our YP. Ada soalan tak nak tanya? Ada soalan? Tak ada.
Tak
Tak
ada,
ada.
Doktor.
Faham Okay, so we already have YP and YC. Okay, then we can get Y. Okay, so Y equals to YP plus with YC. Sorry, YC plus YP. Kalau tak nanti sebenarnya tak cantik kan? So YC plus with YP. What is our YC? YC is AE minus X plus BXE minus X. Right. Then Y equals to AE minus X plus BXE minus X plus with YP X square minus 4X plus 5. Okay. So finish. This is our Y. Ada soalan? Any question? No.
No, Doctor.
Faham So you can stop up to this stage. You don't have to find A and B since you are not given any initial conditions in this question. Okay. Remember, for non-homogeneous equations, you have to find constant for YP. Okay. But for YC, A and B, it depends on your questions. If you are given the initial conditions, then you have to find A and B. If you are not given any initial condition, then you can leave A and B. Apa soalan ni tadi? Tadi saya tak sempat baca soalannya. Apa soalannya? YC tak perlu cari. Tak perlu cari. You don't have to find A and B for YC. Okay? Because there is no initial condition here. Okay? Okay, we look at another example where we have the initial condition. Ada soalan yang ada initial condition. Okay. Okay, let's say you have this. Okay, you have y double prime plus y equals to 2 sine square x. Okay, and the initial condition given here is y0 equals to 2 and y prime equals to 0. Y prime 0 equals to 1. Okay. Okay, so first step. Okay, first step. Okay, you have to find YC. Okay, so YC is y double prime plus y equals to 0 from homogeneous equation. Right, this is your non-homogeneous equations. Okay, then you have to make it homogeneous equation. Then you can find YC. Okay, so now we find m square plus 1 equals to 0. Then m equals to plus minus I. Right, betul. M square equals to minus 1. Then m equals to plus minus I. Okay. Okay. So this is the case 1, case 2 or case 3. Which one?
3.
Case 3 because you have a complex conjugate here. Okay. Case 3 where your alpha equals to 0 and beta equals to 1. Okay. So for case 3, y equals to exponent alpha x. Okay. A cos beta x plus b sine beta x. Right. Okay. So you replace alpha and beta here. Then you'll get exponent 0. So 1. A cos x plus b sine x. Okay. So this is your YC. Any question? Ada soalan tak?
Doktor,
Tak ada
saya ada soalan.
Okay.
Doktor,
So YC. Then we have to find YP.
doktor dengar
Ya.
ke?
Ha?
Doktor dengar suara saya?
Dengar ada soalan
Ada. Yang yang y kurungan kosong sama dengan 2, lepas tu y prime sama dengan 1 tu mana datang? Saya tak faham.
Yang mana ni? Ni.
Itu. Yang tu
Okay, ini initial condition.
dia bagi
Dia bagi. Okay, ini example saya example extra Extra example saya bagi. Actually ada je dalam modul awak. Okay. So you have
okey ada.
ada
Saya
kan?
jumpa.
Okay,
Ada.
so you have initial condition here. Y 0 equals to 2, y prime 0 equals to 1.
Betul.
Okay.
Jumpa.
So initial condition ni, so you have to find A and B nanti. Okay. Okay, so now we find YP. Okay, so YP is based on your fx. So here your fx equals to 2 sine square x. Okay, fx equals to 2 sine square x. Okay, so refer dekat table. So you have to refer to the table here. This table, okay. So this is the trigonometry. Okay, it's a trigonometry. Okay.
Okey doktor.
Okay. Okay. So kita nak pakai trigonometry. Ya ke?
Betul
Actually,
kot.
it's a combination. Dia combine. Okay. So first, what you need to do is, kalau you tengok dekat table ni, if you refer to this table, ada table ni. Okay. Dia ada tak? Do they have a sine square here?
Tak
Tak ada
ada.
kan? Jadi you kena gunakan semua, you have to use all your knowledge in trigonometry. Okay. So you have to modify this equation. The equation ni jauh dah pula. You have to modify this equation. So sine square x. Macam mana? Sin square X. Macam mana?
Integrate kot.
Record. Okay, sin square X. Ini awak kena refer dekat trigonometry punya identity, ada trigonometry punya table lah. Okay. So you refer dekat situ. Okay. Then you will find something yang macam ni. Okay. 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 So trigo dia ada banyak ni. Okay. So you have ini basic ni. Okay. So now we have sin square kan. Kita ada sin square kan. Okay. So you tengok dekat sini. Okay. Cos 2 theta equals to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Okay. Then we will use this one. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So dekat situ kita ada cos 2x equals to 1 minus 2 sin square x. Okay. Then you modify this one, you'll get 2 sin square x equals to cos 2, equals to 1 minus 1 minus cos 2x. Okay. Nampak ni? Sama kan? Okay. So your fx is 1 minus cos 2x. Okay. Then you assume your yp equals to okay. You have trigonometry and polynomial. Okay. Then your yp will be okay. Yp awak akan jadi c plus with d cos 2x plus e sin 2x. Okay. So this is your yp. Okay. You have to compare with yc. So what is your yc? Yc mana tadi? Yc is a
Puan, kenapa
cos
C
x
plus
plus
Puan?
b sin x. Okay. Apa
Puan, yang tu satu minus kan? Kenapa dia jadi C plus sana?
Yang mana
Yang
Yang
YP.
YP?
Yang fx tu satu minus cos 2x. So yang YP tu bukan jadi C minus dengan D cos 2x lah? Dengan minus E sin 2x lah?
Oh, dia actually this one plus minus this one dia tak kisah. Okay. Kita tengok dekat cos. Okay. Dengan sini saja 2x.
Oh, okay.
Sebab kalau you tengok sini kan. You tengok example yang this example kan you have x square minus 1 kan. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Kalau you tengok dekat sini x square minus 1. This one tak ada minus pun. Dia cuma tengok pattern saja. Here you have cx square plus dx plus e. Okay.
Okay, Puan.
Kita nak tengok pattern dia je. Okay. Mana tadi? Okay. So this one also we want to see the pattern. Kita nak tengok yang ini. Dia cos is trigonometry and then what inside here? X ke 2x ke apa nilai dekat depan sini. Kita akan guna dekat sini. Okay. Okay, so now you compare YP and YC. Okay. Is there any similar pattern? Sama tak pattern dia?
Sama kot yang cos
Cos.
dengan
Betul.
sin.
Cos dengan sin.
Tak sama kan? Kenapa? This one is cos 2x. This one cos x. Sin
Betul.
2x.
Ah,
Sin x.
betul.
So tak sama. Okay. So your YP is not equals with YC. Okay. Then you can directly use this YP. Okay. So kita guna YP ni. Then we have to find YP prime. So YP prime, you differentiate this YP. Okay. So differentiate YP here, you differentiate C, you get 0. You differentiate D cos 2x, you dapat?
Negative 2D sin.
Okay, you differentiate D cos 2x, you get? Awak dapat? Awak
Negative
differentiate cos, you dapat negative sign, betul? So negative sign, 2, you bring kat depan. So you have minus 2D sin 2x.
plus.
Okay, plus with, you differentiate sign. Okay, you dapat
2E.
cos. 2 you
2E cos.
bring to the front. Then 2E cos 2x. Okay,
Cos 2x.
okay. Okay, then you have to find YP double prime. So YP double prime. Okay, you differentiate sin 2x here. These 2 you bring to the front, you get minus 4D cos 2x plus with, you
Negative
differentiate cos, you get minus sign. Okay, these 2 you
4.
bring to the front. So here minus,
4.
Oh.
you have minus
E.
4E cos 2,
Minus 4.
4E sin 2x.
Sin.
Okay. So now we have YP, YP prime, YP double prime. Okay. So kita masukkan dalam inside these equations. Okay, so these equations you have Y double prime. You have Y double prime plus with Y equals to 2 sine square x. Okay. So YP double prime plus YP equals to 2 sine square x. YP double prime is this one. Okay. Minus 4D cos 2x minus 4E sine 2x. Okay. And then plus with YP. Okay. This YP plus with C plus D cos 2x plus E sine 2x equals to equals to
Negative
2 sine square x.
2x.
Right.
Negative 3D cos.
Mana?
Yes.
Mhm.
Doktor nak tanya.
Okay, tak apa. Saya tak tukar lagi yang ni nanti dulu. Okay.
Doktor nak tanya.
Ya.
Yang YP double prime tu macam mana dapat negatif 4E tu, negatif tu mana datang?
YP double prime ni.
Yang tu. Kan
Okay.
negatif 4E tu mana datang negatif tu?
You differentiate cos, you dapat negative sign, right?
Oh, betul.
Betul tak?
Betul.
Betul.
Oh, okay.
Kan? Okay. So, that's why datang dia negative kat sini.
Alright.
Okay. So, dekat sini, okay. So, cos. Okay. We group for cos and then we group another one for sine. Okay. So, now you have minus 4D cos 2x plus D cos 2x. Okay. And then minus 4E sine 2x plus E. Is it right? Betul E sine 2x plus C equals to 2 sine square x. Okay. So minus 4D cos 2x plus D, then here you have minus 3D. Betul? Minus 3D cos 2x. This one minus 4 plus E. You have minus 3E sine 2x plus C equals to, okay, 2 sine square 2 sine square x is equals to 1 minus cos 2x, right? So you replace this one here, 1 minus cos 2x. Okay. Okay, then cos 2x. Okay. Here you have minus 3D. Okay. You compare this one with this one. Okay. So minus 3D equals to minus 1. Then D equals to 1 over 3. Okay. And then here sine 2x. Okay. So minus 3E equals to, is there any sine 2x here? Ada tak?
Tak ada.
Tak ada. Then 3E equals to 0.
0.
Then E equals to 0. Okay. And last one C. C equals to, you compare with 1. Then C equals to 1. Okay. Then you masukkan C, E, D inside YP here. Okay. So our YP is equals to C plus with D cos 2x plus E sin 2x. Okay. Then you masukkan D, E, C here. Then your YP will be C is 1 plus with D 1 over 3 cos 2x plus E sin E is 0, then you tak payah. Okay, so YP is 1 plus 1 over 3 cos 2x. Okay, and your YC is, berapa YC tadi? A cos x plus B sin x. So our YC is A cos x plus B sin x. Okay, then our general solutions Y is YC plus YP, which is A cos x plus B sin x plus 1 over 3 cos 2x plus 1. This is your Y. Okay.
Doktor,
Then, ya.
yang YP tu tolak satu ke equal satu?
Ah,
Yang 1 campur 1/3 cos tu. Yang
ah.
YP tu tolak satu ke equal satu? Tak, yang bawah. Tu.
1 plus 1/3 kan?
Dia YP equal ke YP tolak tadi? Saya tak dapat.
Yang mana, yang mana?
Lepas YP tu equal ke tolak?
Equal.
Equal. Okay,
Equal.
thank you.
Equal. YP equal. Yang ni eh? Yang ni ke?
Ya, tadi saya confused tadi.
YP equals 1 plus 1 over 3 cos 2x. Kita gantikan C dengan 1, D dengan 1/3, E dengan kosong. Jadi kita dapat yang ni. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Oh, tak cukup pula eh. Macam mana buat ni? Sekejap eh. Step lagi eh. Sekejap. Okay. Okay. So ini kita punya Y. Okay, so this is our Y. And we are given the initial condition here. Y0 equals to 2. Okay. Y0 equals to 2 and Y prime 0 equals to Y prime 0 equals to 1. Okay. So this is our YP is A cos X plus B sin X plus plus 1 over 3 cos 2x plus 1. Okay. Okay, so here you have an initial condition for y prime. Then you have to find y prime here. Y prime equals to, you differentiate these equations. A cos x. Okay, you differentiate cos x. What did you get? You get minus A sin x, right? Plus with, you differentiate sine, you get cos. So B cos x. Okay, this one you differentiate cos, you'll get minus sine. These two you bring to the front, then it will be minus 2 over 3. Okay, sine 2x. Okay, plus with, you differentiate 1, you'll get 0. Okay. Okay, then, okay, this one is y 0 equals to 2. That means when x equals to 0, y equals to 2. And here is when x equals to 0, y prime equals to 1. Okay, so this value we replace to these equations. And this one inside this equation. Okay, so yang atas dulu So x 0, so a cos 0 plus with b sine 0 plus with 1 over 3 cos 0 plus 1 equals to 2. Okay, so a cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. Sine 0 is 0. Cos 0 is 1. Right? Betul? You tekan calculator. Kalau you tak boleh tekan calculator, you boleh tengok dekat graph ni. So this is cos graph. Ini graph cos. So this is 0. This is pi over 2, which is 90 degree. This is, ini berapa? Ini 2 pi. Ini pi. Okay. And this one is sine graph. Okay. So you tengok dekat sini, sine 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1. Okay. So cos 0, 1, sine 0, 0. So you have A plus 1 over 3. Oh, sorry. Oh, betul lah. Okay. Plus 1 equals to 2. Then A equals to, this one is 2 minus with 1 minus 1 over 3. Equals to berapa? 2 minus 1, 1 minus ni 2 per 3. A equals to 2 over 3. Okay. Then here, okay. These equations you replace with x0 and y prime equals to 1. So minus A sine 0 plus with B cos 0 minus with 2 over 3 sine 0 equals to 1. Okay. So sine 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1, sine 0 is 0. So now we have B equals to 1. Okay. So we have A and B, and then so our final equation y equals to, okay. So this is our general equation. Okay. So you masukkan A and B here. So A is 2 over 3. So 2 over 3 cos or sine? 2 over 3 cos x. Okay. Plus with B. Okay, B is 1. Okay, sin X. Okay, plus 1 over 3 cos 2X plus 1. Okay, ada soalan? Any question? Ada soalan?
Kalau YP sama dengan YC, jalan kira dia lain lah.
Macam mana?
Kalau YP sama dengan YC. Kan soalan ni kan YP sama dengan YC.
Ini YP tak sama dengan YC.
Kalau soalan tu sama. Kalau soalan
Sama
lain.
macam saya cakap kena darab dengan X yang ini. Ini. If YP have the same pattern with YC, okay, you have to multiply YP with X. And then you check again the pattern. Kalau sama lagi, you multiply lagi. Sampai pattern dia tak sama.
Oh, memang kena tak sama lah.
Ya. Okay. Ada soalan lagi?
Tak ada, tapi nak tengok jawapan lah sekali.
Nak tanya.
Okay.
Betul?
Doktor.
Ya.
Ada orang nak tanya.
Okay.
Betul. Yang nilai X dengan Y nak masukkan dekat Y.
Sekejap. Yang nilai mana?
Nilai X dengan Y tu yang kita nak masukkan dekat Y dengan Y prime tu.
Ni.
Aha.
Ah.
Kan sepatutnya ada 1/3 cos 2X kan?
2X. 2 kali kosong kosong.
Oh, doktor terus ni kosongkan je lah. Okay.
Kan X nilai dia kosong kan?
Okay.
Betul.
So 2 kali kosong you dapat kosong juga. Okay. Ada soalan lagi? Tak ada. Okay, so kalau tak ada, saya masuk the second method. Okay. The second method to solve the non-homogeneous equation. Okay. Second method is a variations of parameter. Okay. So for variation of parameter, okay, this is dia punya step. Okay, we have 5 steps, okay, to solve using variations of parameter. First step is you have to obtain A and Fx. Okay, later I will show you what is A. Okay, what is Fx. Okay. Then you have to find the complementary functions Yc. Okay, sama juga for the corresponding homogeneous equations. Okay, kita akan pakai juga homogeneous equation here. Okay, then okay, we have to find the Wronskian W. Okay, so W. So W, okay, kita dapat daripada sini. Okay, so W equals to Y1, Y2, Y1 prime, Y2 prime. Then we get W. Okay, after we get W, we can find U and V. Okay, so we find U and V based on this equation. Okay, U equals to minus integrate Y2 times Fx divided by A W dx plus with A. A is constant. And then V equals to integrations of Y1 times Fx divided by A W dx plus B. So this B also constant. Okay, so last, okay, your general solutions Y equals to U, this U times with Y1 plus with V times with Y2. So this is how we solve using variations of parameter. Okay. Okay, so kita tengok example. Okay, so kalau tak tengok example, kita susah nak faham kan? Okay, so example 7. Okay, solve y double prime plus y equals to 2 sin x using variation of parameter. And then you have to show that the solutions is a cos x plus b sin x minus x cos x. Okay, so kita first step. Okay, step pertama, you have to identify what is a and what is fx. Okay, so from these equations, okay, what is a? Okay, you have to write it in the form of non-homogeneous, in the form of ordinary, general ordinary equations. Maknanya saya punya general equation mana? Okay, so you have to write in this form. Okay, then you can find what is a. Okay, you have a y double prime x plus b y prime x plus c y x equals to fx. Okay, you compare with this one. Okay, so here this you have y prime x plus yx equals to 2 sin x. Okay, so what is your a? What is your a?
Y prime.
So what is your a?
One.
A is A is 1.
One.
And
One.
x is
Two
2
sin
sin
x.
x.
Sin. 2
Okay.
sin x.
Okay, so this is your A, this is your fx. Okay, the second step is you have to find yc. Okay, so yc is from these homogeneous equations. Okay, y double prime plus y equals to 0. Okay, then your m square plus 1 equals to 0, then m equals to plus minus I. Betul? Betul? Okay. Then your yc is equals to, this is case number 1, number 2 or number 3?
Number three.
Number 3. Then your yc will be, dia sama macam example sebelum ni kan? A cos x plus B sin x. Right? Betul?
Betul.
Okay. Okay. So from here, kalau you refer here, you have yc equals to y1 plus y2. Okay. So yc equals to y1 plus y2. Okay. So what is your y1? So this is your y1. Okay. So y1 equals to cos x and y2 equals to sin x. Okay. Then you can find the third, you can find w. Okay. So w is, okay, you have y1, y1 prime, y2, y2 prime. Okay, so from here you have to find y1 prime and y2 prime. So what is y1 prime? You differentiate cos x, you will get
Negative sign.
negative sin x. Third, and y2 is you differentiate sin x, you will get
Cos x.
cos x. Okay, Then you masukkan this y1, y1 prime, y2, y2 prime inside this matrix. Okay. Then you get W equals to cos x minus sin x, cos x. Okay. So next is this one times this one. Okay. Equals to cos square x. This one times this one. So minus sin square x. Okay. And this one equals to cos square x minus plus sin square x. Okay. And equals to, okay, you have to refer to the trigonometry identity again. Okay. Okay, so here we have the, you have what? Cos square x plus sin square x. Okay, you refer dekat trigonometry identity. Here, sin square x plus cos square x equals to 1.
1.
Okay. Okay, so this one equals to 1. So W equals to 1. Okay, ada soalan tak? Ada soalan? Any question? No. Okay, so we already find W. Now we have to find U and V. Okay. So to find U is U equals to minus integrations y2 fx over a w dx plus a. Okay. So U equals to minus integration y2 fx divided by aw dx plus constant a. Okay. So equals to minus y2 is sin x. Okay. Sin x times with fx. So fx, what is our fx? 2 sin x. Okay. Divided by aw. So what is a? A is 1 and w is, where is our w? W is also 1. So 1 times 1 is 1. Okay, so here we have 1 times 1. A dx plus a constant. Okay. Okay, so minus integration sin x times 2 sin x, you will get 2 sin square x divided by 1. So dx plus a. Okay, 2 sin square x is actually equals to tadi kita dah buat kan?
1 minus cos x.
2 sin square x equals to 1 minus cos 2x. Betul kan? So you just replace this one inside these equations. Okay. Gantikan je. So you have minus integration 1 minus cos 2x dx plus a. Okay. Ada soalan tak?
Tak ada.
Tak ada. Okay. So kita integratekan 1. We integrate 1, you will get. Awak integrate 1, awak dapat?
X.
Okay.
X. Okay. Minus. Okay. You integrate cos 2x. You will get. Awak integrate cos, awak dapat.
Sin.
Sin
Sin 2x.
2x over 2.
2.
Okay. Plus with a. Okay. So here we have minus x plus sine 2x plus a. So this is our u. Okay. And now kita nak dapatkan v. Okay. So v is integrate y1 fx divided by aw dx plus with constant b. Okay. So equals to you integrate y1 is cos kan? Cos x. Y1 is cos x. Okay. Times with fx. Fx is 2 sin x divided by a is 1, w is 1. Okay. dx plus b. Okay. Then equals to integrate 2 cos x sin x dx plus b. Okay. Okay. Dan kita gunakan kaedah gantian. Okay. So gantian u. Okay. U equals to sin x du over dx equals to you differentiate sin you will get awak dapat
Cos x.
Cos x.
cos x. Betul? Okay, then du equals to cos x dx. Okay. So du is cos x dx. So this is our du and this is our u. Okay. So equals to okay. Okay, equals to 2 integrate okay u du plus b. Okay, so you integrate u, you will get 2 u square over 2. Right? Betul? Betul?
Betul.
Betul.
Okay. Plus with b. So u 2 cancel. So now we have u square plus b. So what is u? You ganti balik dengan this u. Okay? Okay. Happy. Sikit, Hafiz. Okay. So you gantikan u with u sin x. Okay. So now you have sin x square plus b. Okay, equals to sin square x plus b. Okay. So your v is equals to sin square x plus b. Okay. Okay, kita tengok balik. We look at the step by step. Okay. So we already have u and v. So now we can get the general solution y. Okay. Then our general solution will be y equals to u y1 plus v y2. Okay. So y equals to u y1 plus v y2. Okay. Then u is, what is our u? U is minus x plus sine 2x over 2 plus a times with y1. Okay, so y1 is cos x. Okay, plus with v. Okay, so v is this one. Okay, sine square x plus b. Okay, times with y2. y2 is sine x. Okay. Okay.
Okay, doktor.
Okay. Okay, then you kembangkan, then you dapat y equals to minus x cos x. Okay, plus with cos x sine 2x, okay, divided by 2 plus a cos x, okay, plus with sine x plus b sine x. Okay, so this is the general solution. Okay. Okay. Ada soalan tak? Ada soalan?
Tak ada, doktor.
Okay, so kalau tak ada kita, okay, actually you sampai sini and then the soalan dia tak habis lagi Soalan dia cakap show that the solution is a cos x plus b sin x minus x cos x. Okay, so right now our solutions is this one. Okay, but then soalan dia nak solutionnya dalam y equals to a cos x plus b sin x minus x cos x. Okay, so you have to modify this equation, okay, using trigonometry. Okay. Okay, so the solutions is you have this one, and this one. Okay, and this part, okay, you have to do some modification based on the trigonometry identity. Okay, so you have to look at the identity. Okay, so we want this part. Okay, cos x sin 2x over 2 plus sin cos 3x. Okay, kita nak hilangkan dia. Okay, so macam mana nak buat? Macam mana you nak buat? Macam mana you nak buat? You pakai trigo. Cos x sin 2x. Macam mana you nak buat? Cos x sin 2x. Cos x sin 2x over 2 is equals to, sama juga dengan this part. Cos x sin 2x. Cos x. Okay, this one. Sin 2x is actually, ini you kena pakai trigo Sin 2x equals to, you tengok dekat sin 2x, okay. This one, okay. Sin 2x equals to 2 sin x cos x, okay. So, you gantikan masuk yang ini dekat dalam equation tadi, okay. So, we have sin 2x equals to 2 sin x cos x. Okay, kita masukkan dalam rumus ni. Okay, then our equation will be half, okay, cos x, okay, sin 2x. It will be 2 sin x cos x. Okay, so these two and these two cancel. Then it will be cos x sin x cos x. Okay, okay. Then kita darabkan yang ini masuk. Then it will be sin x cos cos. So cos kuasa 2 x. Okay. So cos kuasa 2x, okay, equals to, yeah, yeah. You tengok dekat sini, okay, cos kuasa 2x. Okay. So cos kuasa 2x, okay, you gantikan dengan mana cos kuasa 2x. Cos kuasa 2x. Okay. Dekat sini. Okay. So cos kuasa 2x equals to 1 minus sin kuasa 2x. Okay. You pakai yang ini. Okay. Okay. So yang ini you ada sin square x plus cos square x equals to 1. So you pakai this one. Okay. So you modify this one. Then you have cos square x equals to 1 minus sin square x. You masukkan this one kat sini. Okay. Then your equation will be sin x, you times with cos square x. You replace with 1 minus sin square x. So 1 minus sin square x. Then your equation will be sin x minus sin kuasa 3 x. Okay. Then, okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Okay, Doktor. Okay, okay.
Okay. Okay, then you gantikan yang ini tadi. Okay, cos x sin 2x over 2 dengan sin x minus sin x cos 3x inside this equation. Okay, kat dalam equation ni. Then your equation will be, pakai mana ni equation awak yang ini y equals to, tak cukup dah pula mana. Sekejap Okay. So, okay, tak apa, no problem Okay, so now from these equations, okay, so y equals to minus x cos x plus cos x sin 2x, okay, over 2 plus a cos x plus sin cos 3x plus b sin x. Okay, so this part, okay, so this part, okay, we replace with this one, okay, this one, okay. So this cos x sin 2x over 2 we replace with sin x minus sin cos 3x, okay. Then y equals to minus x cos x, okay, plus sin x minus sin cos 3x plus a cos x plus sin cos 3x plus b sin x. Okay. Okay, then sin minus sin cos 3x plus sin cos 3x is cancelled. So now we have minus x cos x, okay, plus sin x plus a cos x plus b sin x. Okay, so here we have cos x, sin x, sin x. Okay, so this one we can group together. Now we have a cos x, okay, plus with sin x is 1 plus b sin x, okay, minus x cos x. Right, 1 plus b, betul. Sin x plus b sin x. Okay, kita groupkan, so we have 1 plus b sin x. Okay, so 1 plus b is equals to b. Then our equation will be a cos x plus b sin x minus x cos x. Then we already proved that the solution is this one. Okay. Okay.
Doktor, minta ulang balik yang bahagian substitute tu boleh ke?
Yang mana?
Yang atas-atas. Atas sikit. Yang bawah sikit, bawah. Yang itu. Yang atas. Yang doktor suruh guna yang sin X tolak sin 3X tu kepada tu cos 2X. Saya tak faham kat situ.
Yang ini cos x sin 2x ni ke?
Tak faham kat situ. Yang nak kena masukkan tu.
Okay. Yang ini daripada equation ni kan? Daripada sini kan? Kan? Okay, so kita kena buat, you have to show that the answer is y equals to a cos x plus b sin x minus x cos x. Right? Betul tak? Kan? You kena provekan equationnya adalah, solutionnya adalah yang ini. Therefore, you look at the general equations that you get, okay, from your calculation, okay, you have here is a cos x, ada. B sin x ada, minus x cos x ada. Nampak tak? Okay.
Nampak.
Then, okay, then you know that you have to do something with this one. Because this part is not part of this equation. Betul tak? Dia tak ada pun dalam equation ni yang ni.
Betul.
Okay, then, okay, you keluarkan cos x sin 2x over 2. Okay. Okay, then try to solve this equation. Okay, so cos x sin 2x over 2 is actually equals to, okay, so over 2 ni kita keluarkan setengah. Okay, cos x, okay, cos x sin 2x. Okay, so we know that sin 2x is actually 2 sin x cos x. This one you have to refer to the trigonometry punya table. Dia ada banyak jenis. Kan? You ada sin square, you ada sin 2x, you ada setengah sin x, apa semua tu kan. So you kena pandai tengok kat situ. Okay. So here you have sin 2x. So nak guna yang mana? We know that sin 2x equals to 2 sin x cos x. Okay. Then you masukkan 2 sin x cos x to replace sin 2x here. Okay. So you masukkan dekat sini. Then you dapat yang ini. Okay. So setengah dengan 2 ni you cancel. Then you have cos x dalam kurungan sin x cos x. Then you darabkan cos x dengan ni. You dapat sin x cos kuasa 2x. Sampai sini faham tak?
Faham.
Faham Okay, so sin x. Awak tak boleh nak buat apa-apa dekat sin x. Then you look here, cos square x. So cos square x, you tengok balik dekat trigonometry identity, which one yang boleh pakai. Okay, so you know that sin square x plus cos square x equals to 1. So kita pakai yang ini. Okay, so you susun balik equation ni supaya cos square x jadi pegang rumus. So cos square x equals to 1 minus sin square x. Then you gantikan ni masuk kat sini. Then you dapat sin x darabkan dengan 1 minus sin square x. Okay, then you darabkan sin x dengan 1, sin x dengan sin square. Then you dapat sin x minus sin kuasa 3x. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, then you gantikan sin x dengan sin kuasa 3x ni. You gantikan cos x sin 2x over 2 dengan yang gini. So you masukkan ini kat dalam equation. Kat dalam equation ni. Then your general equation will be y equals to minus x cos x. Okay, so this part you gantikan dengan sin x minus sin kuasa 3x. Okay.
Okay, faham.
Okay, plus with ax plus sin kuasa 3x plus bx. So you tengok dekat sini. Okay, you have minus sin kuasa 3 plus sin kuasa 3. So you boleh cancel this kuasa 3. Okay. So you can cancel sin kuasa 3. So now we have minus x cos x plus sin x plus a cos x plus b sin x. Okay, so sin x dengan sin x ni kita boleh combine. So kita dapat 1 plus b sin x. Okay, 1 plus b is constant. Kita gantikan 1 plus b dengan b. Okay, then a cos x plus b sin x equals to minus x cos x. Okay? Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Ada soalan? Lagi? Tak ada? Tak ada. Okay. Kalau tak ada, kita sambung dengan example ni. Okay. Sekejap. Okay. So kita sambung dengan example 8 Okay. example 8 is you have y double prime plus 2y prime plus y equals to 3 exponent minus x ln x. Okay, soalan dia cakap using variations of parameter. Okay, so kalau using variation of parameter, first step is you have to find A. So A, what is A from this equation? A is, what is your A?
1.
1. Fx?
3 eksponen negatif X.
Okay. Ln x ni ada. Okay, so A equals to 1, Fx equals to 3 exponent minus x ln x. Okay, then you have to find YC. So YC you find from y double prime plus 2y prime plus y equals to 0. Okay, then m square plus plus 2m plus 1 equals to 0. Then m plus 1, m plus 1. Okay, so m equals to minus 1. Betul? Okay, m equals to minus 1. Okay, so y C awak equals to this one case number 1, case number 2 or case number 3? Case mana?
Nombor 2.
Ha? Case 1, case 2, case 3?
Case 2.
Case 2. Okay, so case 2 which means YC equals to A plus BX exponent minus X. Okay, then you darabkan you dapat AE minus X plus BXE minus X. Then you can find your Y1 and Y2. So Y1 equals to exponent minus X. Y2 equals to X exponent minus X. Then you can find Y1 prime equals to minus E minus X. Y2 prime equals to Y2 primes equals to you differentiate exponent, okay, you'll get x minus x exponent minus x plus with you differentiate x, you'll get exponent minus x. Okay. Okay, then you can find your W. W equals to y1 y1 prime y2 y2 prime. Okay, equals to y1 is exponent minus x, y1 prime is minus exponent minus x, y2 is x exponent minus x, y2 prime is minus x exponent minus x plus exponent minus x. Okay, then equals to this one times this one, you have exponent minus x times x exponent minus x plus exponent minus x. Okay, minus with, okay, minus exponent minus x, x exponent minus x. Okay, so equals to this one times this one, you will get minus x exponent minus 2x plus exponent minus 2x plus with this one times this one, x exponent minus 2x. Okay, equals to minus x exponent minus 2x plus x exponent minus 2x, cancel. Then W equals to exponent minus 2x. Okay, ada soalan tak nak tanya ni?
Tak.
Ada
Ada.
doktor.
Okay, then number 4, we can find U and V. Okay, So our u equals to minus integrate y2 fx aw dx plus a. Okay, equals to minus y2 is, what is y2? Y2 is x exponent minus x. Okay, times with fx. So fx is 3 exponent minus x ln x divided by a. A is 1 times w. What is w? W is exponent minus 2x. Okay, dx plus a equals to minus integrate x 3x exponent minus 2x ln x divided by exponent minus 2x dx plus a. Okay, so this one cancel. Now you have minus 3x ln x dx plus a. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, doktor.
Okay. So now you want to integrate 3x ln x dx. Okay. So what you need to do is you have to make an integration by part. Okay. So by part, which means so you have u equals to ln x and du over dx is, you differentiate ln x, you'll get 1 over x. Okay. And you have dv equals to x dx. Okay. And v is, you integrate x dx, you'll get x squared over 2. Okay. So integration by part is uv. Okay. Sorry, u dv equals to uv minus kamiran v du. Okay, betul tak? Integration by part. Integrate u dv equals to uv minus integration v du. Betul?
Betul.
Okay. So, sama juga dengan what is u? U is ln x. V is x square over 2 minus integrate. V is, what is v? X square over 2. Du is, this is du. Du is 1 over x dx. Betul?
Betul.
Okay. So x cancel. Then equals to x square over 2 ln x minus 1 over 2 x dx. Okay. Then u equals to minus 3. Okay. Okay. You integrate x, you will get x square over 2 ln x minus tengah x square over 2. Betul? Okay. Then this one will be x square over 2 ln x minus x square over 4. Okay. Then you masukkan this one, this whole thing. Okay, dekat sini. Okay. Then u equals to minus 3 x square over 2 ln x minus x square over 4. Okay. Plus a. Okay. Then u equals to, you darab this one dengan this one, you will get minus 3x square over 2 ln x plus with 3x square over 4 plus with a. So this is our u. Okay. Okay, so now you have to find V. Okay. So V equals to integrate Y. V Y1 or Y2? Y1. Okay. Y1 Fx. Okay. AW dx plus B. Okay. So equals to Y1 is exponent minus X. Okay. Fx is 3 exponent minus X ln X. Okay. Divide by A. A is 1. W is exponent minus 2X. Okay. Dx plus B. Okay. Equals to integrate 3 exponent minus 2X ln X divided by exponent minus 2X dx plus B. Cancel, cancel. Then V equals to, you integrate 3 ln X dx plus B. Okay. Okay.
Okey, doktor.
Okay. So, ini pun sama juga you pakai kaedah by part. Okay. Integration by part. So kalau integration by part, you will get, awak dapat apa? So, you integrate 3 ln X dx. You dapat? Pakai integration by part. Macam mana?
Ln X dx sama dengan X ln X tolak X.
Okay. So, what is U? What is U? What is dV?
P log X.
Ln X.
U equals to
Ln X.
ln X. Yeah. Okay. Then, du equals to
1 per X dx.
X.
dV.
dV 3.
Betul? 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 Betul tak? Betul tak? dV equals to dx. V equals to X. Kan? So,
Betul.
kamiran by part dia will be U. Kejap UV minus kamiran V du. Right. So, U is ln X. V is X. Betul? Okay.
Betul.
Minus integrate V. Okay. V is okay. Du is 1 over X dx. Okay. Okay. So, this one will be X ln X minus integrate dx. Okay. Equals to X ln X. Integrate dx, you'll get X. Okay. So, ln integration ln x dx, you'll get x ln x minus x. Okay. Then you replace this one. Okay. You replace this. Okay. You replace this one. Masuk kat dalam sini. Okay. Then your v will be. Dah habis eh? So your v will be. Okay. Okay. So 3x ln x minus x. Okay. Plus b. Or equals to 3x ln x plus 3 minus 3x plus b. So this is your v. Okay. So we have v, we have u. Okay. So now we have to find y. Okay. Sekejap eh. Tak cukup dah pula eh. Okay, so now we have to get what is y. So y equals to u y 1 plus b y 2. Okay, so u is this one. Minus 3x squared over 2 ln x plus 3x squared over 4 plus a. Okay. Minus 3x squared over 2 ln x plus 3 over 4 x squared plus a. Okay, times with y1. y1 is exponent minus x plus v. If v is, this is your v. Okay, 3x ln x minus 3x plus b. Okay, times is y2. y2 is x exponent minus x. Okay. Then, okay, kembangkan yang mana boleh kembangkan. 1 minus 3e exponent minus x squared ln x over 2 plus with 3 over 4 x squared exponent minus x plus e minus x plus with this one 3x squared exponent minus x ln x minus 3x squared exponent minus x plus bx exponent minus x. Okay. Okay. So try to simplify. Okay. If you can simplify. Okay. So here, this one you have exponent minus x squared ln x. This one also. Okay. Then this one will be. This one will be what? You boleh simplify this one kan? Minus 3 over 2 plus 3. You akan dapat berapa? Minus 3 over 2 plus 3.
1/2.
3/2.
Berapa? 3/2 eh. So you have 3 over 2 exponent minus x square ln x. Okay, then plus with, kita tengok mana lagi. X square exponent x square exponent x. So this one. Okay. 3 over 4 minus 3. 3/4 tolak 3. So 3 minus 12 minus 9. Betul? Okay. So this one minus.
Minus 9. Dia tolak jadi
Minus 9
9/4.
over 4 x square exponent minus x. Okay. And then you have here is B plus Bx exponent minus x plus A. Okay. Okay, you can stop up to this one or you can simplify a little bit here. Okay. Then it will be exponent minus x squared. Here you have 3 over 2 ln x minus 9 over 4 plus with bx exponent minus x plus ae minus x. Okay. Okay. Faham? Faham tak?
Faham kot.
Faham Okay, so we
InsyaAllah.
finish chapter 2 this week. Okay, so kita dah habis chapter 2.
Doktor, dia kalau tak simplify pun tak apa doktor kan?
Ha?
Kalau jawapan tu kalau tak simplify tu pun tak apa kan?
Kalau you sampai kat sini pun dah okay.
Oh,
Okay?
okay.
Okay. So kalau tak ada soalan, kita jumpa, so saya stop sampai sini.